Welcome to Denton Outdoors. We're in the South San Juan Wilderness hiking to Red Lake. Come along for the adventure. We've made it to where the trees are thinning out. Wow, this is beautiful up here. Well, I was crossing one of the little water crossings and I stepped and the ground kind of gave out and my left foot went into a big old muddy hole, so my left foot's all wet and muddy. Wow, this may be one of the most beautiful hikes I've ever done. We're getting close to Red Lake. Should be just on the other side of this ridge. We just got to the ridge and the views might be the best I've ever had in my life. Oh man, the camera does not do this place justice, but I'm pretty sure this is Conejos Peak right here. Made it to Red Lake. We've been lounging for a long time, so now we need to start hiking it on back. Hopefully the snow's not too melted and we don't post hole a lot. One last look before we head up over the ridge. Leaving the wilderness. Wow, what a great trail. We're back at the car. That's probably the most alpine hiking I've ever done, and man, what an amazing destination.
Yeah, with some awesome views of snowfields and frozen over lakes, and we saw an elk and a bunch of marmots, and got to see a lot of the divide off in the distance in southern Colorado.
Yep, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the hike as much as we did. I'll see you on the next adventure.